Hi, I'm Chelsea from York, Pennsylvania. What finally gave me relief from my lower back pain? I was having problems since 2005 when I was in a car accident. I had really bad low back pain, and I would wake up certain days where I couldn't even get out of bed by myself. I had to go to the hospital a couple times, and it was just affecting me all the time. It was hard for me to get out and do things that I would normally do with my friends. There would be days where I would just want to lay at home all the time instead of actually going places and doing things. And I was afraid that I was going to be like that for the rest of my life. I saw 3 different chiropractors before I came here. They would help short term. It would be helpful for a week or 2, and then it would come right back. Dr. Gary was different from other doctors that I've seen because he uses personalized care instead of just doing the same thing for every patient. He would really focus on what your specific problems were and treat you based on that instead of just a generalized plan for everybody. I've already been doing a lot more since I started coming here. I feel like I can get up and I'm not having pain all the time. When I do get pain, it's only for a day or 2 and it goes away if I do something at work. Since I've been coming here, I am 98% better than I was when I started. If I was talking to anyone that was having problems like I was, or just in general, I would definitely recommend Harcourt.